Friends, today we are discussing about electronic configuration of elements. The first element in periodic table is hydrogen. Its atomic number is 1 and its electronic configuration is 1s1. The 1 indicates the shell present and the power numerical power is equal to its atomic number, that is 1. Next, here the electron is filled in s orbital like this. Next element is helium. Its electronic configuration is atomic number is 2 and electronic configuration is 1s2. Here the second electron is filled. Next, it is duplet. This is also called as duplet configuration. Later we discussed about these duplet configurations of noble gases. Next element is after helium, the next element is lithium. Its atomic number is 3 and its electronic configuration is 1s2 2s1. The numerical power is 3 electrons. The atomic number is 3. So the 2 electrons are filled. Next it enters into the s orbital of second energy level. Next element is beryllium. Its atomic number is 4. The electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2. Here the second electron filled like this. Okay. Next element after beryllium, the next element is boron. Next element is boron. Its atomic number is 5. Its electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p1. Okay, here the powers of this equals to atomic number 5 and it is present in a second shell, that is 2p1 is filled like this. Next element is carbon. Its atomic number is 6 and its electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p2. The second electron is filled with like this, not here. Next element is nitrogen. Its atomic number is 7 and its electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p3. Here the third electron is filled. Next element is oxygen. Its atomic number is 8 and its electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p4 2p4. I am clearly writing 2p4. The fourth electron enters here. Okay, after oxygen the next element is fluorine. Its atomic number is 9 and its electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p5. Here 1s2 2s2 2p5 2p4 and I am writing electrons, fifth electron is here. After fluorine the next element is neon. Its atomic number is 10 and electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6. Here the sixth electron, the 1s2 is here, 2s2 2p6. The sixth electron is filled like this. This is the stable electronic configuration. Because look at this second shell, 2s2 2p6. It acquires 8 electrons, so it is octet. It exhibits octet rule. So these type of elements does not participate in any chemical reactions because they are completely filled in their 8 electrons in outer energy level. Outer energy means the electrons present in outer shell, that is 8 electrons in this neon. Next element is sodium. Na atomic number is 11 and its electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1. That means the 11th electron enters into the third shell of s orbital. Next element is magnesium. The atomic number is 12. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Here the electron is filled. Next, up to aluminium 2 argon, the electrons are filled like this. After the last argon electronic atomic number is 18. Its electronic configuration is I am writing here 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3p6. The outermost acquires it is also 8 electrons, 3p6, like here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, next. Next, argon, the same electronic configurations like potassium and calcium. Here the third shell has s orbital, p orbital and d orbital, and the fourth shell has 4s electron 4s, that is s orbital, that is p orbital, that is d orbital, and here f orbital. Here f. Potassium atomic number is 9 and its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Here count that 2 to 4, 6, 10, 18, and the last electron enters into 3D, but it is not correct. The last electron enters into 4s. The last electron enters into 4s. After 3p6, the electron enters into 4s1. Okay, why the electron enters into the 4s before it going to 3D? The energy gap between 3D and 4s is very low, so the electron enters into the 4s orbital. To complete the 4s orbital, then the electron enters into the 3D orbital. Okay, and for calcium the atomic number is 20. The electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. Here the calcium electronic configuration is like that. That means the 4s orbital has 2 electrons like this. Next, calcium, listen carefully. The 3 d electrons enters into this, starts with scandium. That's the first d block elements, that is scandium. Its atomic number is 21 and its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. Calculate how many electrons are completed. Here 10, here 10. The 21 electron enters into 3d1. Okay, that is 3d1. In this, the scandium present in which period means it is present in fourth period. The higher energy level indicates the period number. Okay, next, after that scandium, you can write and try to practice next elements, that is titanium 22. You can write, you can practice it. Next, vanadium 23. Next, chromium 24. Chromium has anomalous electronic configuration. Chromium has anomalous electronic configuration. Let us we discuss about electronic configuration of chromium. Okay. Chromium, its atomic number is 24 and its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, next 4s2. Here 2 electrons are completed, that means 20 electrons, and 24 the last 4 electrons enters into d orbital 1, 2, 3, 4, that means 3d4, but it is not correct order. The last in this the 4s and 3d4, the electrons are jump from 4s orbital to 3d orbital, that means it comes 4s1 3d5. Why the electron jumps from 4s1 to 3d5? Because the d orbitals has 4 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4. By achieving 1 electron, the d configuration will be half filled stable electronic configuration. So in this the 4s orbital is filled with 1 electron. This is having a outermost stable electronic configuration. So chromium achieve 4s1 3d5 electronic configuration. Okay, and next chromium afterwards you can write easily for manganese atomic number 25, iron atomic number 26, cobalt atomic number 27, next nickel 28. Okay, but copper, this is also having anomalous electronic configuration. I can write here. Copper atomic number is 29 and its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. Actually 2 electrons are for 4s orbital and 3d 9, but it is not correct. 3d orbital 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the 9 electrons are filled, but it acquires 1 electron, the d orbital gets stable. So the electrons are jumps from 4s orbital, it becomes 4s1 and it goes to 3d orbital and its electronic configuration is 3d10. It is a stable outermost fulfilled electronic configuration or completely filled electronic configuration, that is 4s1 3d10. These chromium and copper shows anomalous electronic configuration in order to acquire stable outermost electronic configuration. These are the electronic configurations from hydrogen to copper. Next, after that copper, the simple electronic configuration zinc you can write and make it to practice. Zinc, its atomic number is 30 and its electronic configuration is look at there 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4s2, 3d10. Before that chromium is 4s1, 3d10, zinc acquires 4s2, 3d10. It is also stable outer electronic configuration. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.